There is a new law of the land in South Carolina for those child safety seats in cars. It is a big change that parents and grandparents really need to know about.
We've asked our Capitol reporter Robert Kittle to look into this. He's telling us that one of the biggest changes is about how long young children need to stay in the rear-facing car seat.
South Carolina's new child safety seat law is one of the strictest in the nation, but it follows the recommendations of the American Academy of Pediatrics. The biggest change is that children are now required to be in rear-facing car seats until they're 2, or they reach the maximum height or weight limit for the seat.
It's fine by me. I generally do what the pediatrician suggests, so I imagine she'll suggest doing what the law says.
And that is what the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends. One question parents have is what to do if their child's legs are too long before they reach the age of 2.
As long as they're within the height and weight limits on the car seat, you want to look on the labels on those car seats. As long as you're within those recommendations, there's no safety concerns with their feet or their legs touching the back of the vehicle seat.
Research shows children are 5 times safer in rear-facing seats. In an accident or even stopping suddenly, their shoulders take the force. If they're front-facing, it can cause neck or head injuries. Another change in the law is when children can move from the back seat to the front. Under the new law, they can't move up until they're 8. Under the old law, they could be here when they were 6. A child between 2 and 4 who's outgrown the rear-facing seat has to be in the back seat in a forward-facing child safety seat. After age 4, a child has to be in a booster seat until he's at least 8 years old or 57 inches tall and can use an adult seatbelt. In Columbia, Robert Kittle, 7 News.
So parents should take advantage of the free car safety seat inspection stations that'll be around the state to help with installing them or to make sure that yours is done the right way. We have a link on our website, WSPA.com, to safecar.gov, which will let you know where the closest location is to you.